Now we talk about common Chinese sounds, which are initials and finals. Here is a very important concept, that is Pinyin, which is a Chinese pronunciation system that uses Roman alphabet. It basically tells you how to read those Chinese characters. So this one right here is the Pinyin, which is Ni. Every syllable has initial, which is a consonant, and final, which is a vowel. These initials are the most common, also the most confusing consonants. We are going to practice one by one. Bo, bao, pe, piao, me, mao, fe, fou, zhe, zhong, de, dao, te, tao, ne, nao, le, lao, che, chong, ge, gao, ke, kao, he, hao, she, sheng, ze, ji, ce, qi, she, xi, ri, rao. Here are the most common finals, and I have put them in 3 different groups. Simple finals are made of just one vowel. Compound finals are made of more than one. And nasal finals are the ones that we need to use our nose to pronounce them. Let's try one by one. A, pa, o, po, e, te, i, ni, u, nu, yu, nu, ai, pai, a, pei, ao, nao, o, lo, an, ban, en, ren, ang, bang, eng, leng, ong, tong. This one right here is the most difficult one to pronounce, and when you are pronouncing this, you need to protrude your lips and you will look like a pig.